Earlier Sunday, Schaumburg police confirmed the abduction of Neviam Gomez. Described as 40 inches tall, weighing 27 pounds with short, curly brown hair and brown eyes. She had been last seen wearing a pink all-in-one baby jumper. Authorities say the child was abducted at approximately 12 p.m. Sunday. From 10:55 in Salem and Schaumburg by Karina Gomez. Police say Karina Gomez is the child's mother, but is not a custodial parent. The child's grandmother is the guardian. The three reportedly were shopping when Karina took the child and left. If you have any information, call 1-877-AMBER-028 or call 911. This concludes this EAS message.